Okay, so now we're about to look at the another way by which component can be referenced. In the last video, I talked about, I showed you, I demonstrated how a component with children can be referenced and how the property can be, the values of the property name can be assessed. And I did that by creating a component by the name, creating a component by the name card details. And this card details has children in it. This card details has children in it. And this is it. These are the children. So you can see programmers are cool kids. And after importing the component, the card details component, then we now reference it right inside the return keyword. And after that, to assess the value of the property name, okay, we had to do this, okay, using the property name as the parameter to the card details. Then right inside the return keyword, we now add this props.children. Children here is made available by React as the property name of that object. Okay, so today we'll be looking at nesting of components. That's another way components can be referenced. Nesting of components. So to do this, let's start by creating the card detail file, the card detail component, which is inside the card.js file. Now, then we'll be creating other, because this card has different sections. There are different sections of the card. So we'll be creating a file for the card head or card header. We'll be creating a file for the card body, and we'll be creating a file for the card footer. Okay, creating a file for the card footer. So all of these will be nested inside the parent component, which in this case is going to be the card component. So let's start by creating these files I just listed. So let's start by creating let's call this card. Okay, better. Okay, that's JS. Okay, then also let's create another one. Let's call it. Let's create another file. Let's call it card body. Card body. Yes. Then let's create another one. Let's call it card footer. Sorry. Yes. Okay. So now, at this point now, let's start with the card header. Let's start with the card header. We import React from React. import React from React, and create the component. So we call it card. The component always starts with a capital letter. Okay, let's call it card header. Card header. Okay, so yeah, we are going to return we have returned so return. Okay, let's see. Excuse me. So yeah, the card header has the card header has what do we call it now? A property, okay, title. Okay, has a property name of title. So and also we're going to enter title also as the parameter of the card header. Then we're going to export it. Export default card header. Okay. Then go to the card body now. Go to the card body. We also import React. From React. Then we create the component now. So constant. We call it card body. Card body. So what's this JavaScript function? Then we return. Yeah, we have content. Also, we use content as a parameter. Content. Okay. Then we also export default card body. Then the footer, let's do that on the footer also. So let's import React from React. Then create the component now. Call it card footer. Okay. Components. And return return, we have okay. So yeah, let's use the property name of title, property name of author, author, and also author. So we export it as we make it available for importation. For default, card footer. Okay, so these are the different section of the card header, the card body, and the card footer. So we now go to the card. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, card dot okay, just file where we have the card details. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah, we are going to import all of these other sections of the card. We are going to put it into this file. So we do import. The first one is card header. Card header from sorry from card header. Okay. This current directory. It's better this way. Okay, that's one. Then we're also going to import card body. Sorry. Yeah, card body. Correct. Card body from so we have card body.